Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Xplody FPS. My name is Jessica. Alright guys, I know you are looking for a nice removal that without software? How to do that. Right now, I am using Windows the latest version 2.4.8.2 OS built in 26100 dot something blah blah blah. That's the latest version. And this Windows have built-in feature, I guess. So maybe, but the thing is, what you need to do here, you can remove noise from your microphone. The first step you need to do here, go into the control panel and then hardware and sound. One more thing. If we go here into the smaller icon, you will see here. There is nothing Realtek console or any other console, audio console. So this means I'm using the basic drivers right now. And if we go into the audio settings, go into the recording, choose here your microphone that currently you are using right now. I'm using this one, and if you go into the labels, increase this and decrease this to 10%, and then hit apply. And OK. Don't change these settings. Now, click on OK. And that's it. Now again, click on the Windows icon and search here the Realtek Audio Console. This is the built-in feature, guys. Like in Windows 11, maybe you will see this feature in Windows 10 as well. And if you are not seeing this, then you can download it separately. Now, click on the microphone and click on the noise suppression. That's the way, guys. You can remove the noise, and there's one more option. Acoustic echo cancellation. I don't know about this. How it's work, the functions will become valid starting from the next recording, so maybe it's working or not working right now. But there's two options. The first one is night separation, which work perfectly right now. I hope so. So guys, it's working, the audio console, the acoustic echo cancellation is working. This, your voice, your sound will be more professional and accurate, and yeah, it's totally removed the background noise. I hope you love this tutorial. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. Have a good day. Bye-bye.